for those good cookouts, you guys. And we're gonna have pineapple in a whole new way. We're gonna have sweet and spicy grilled pineapple. Come on in the kitchen, let's cook. You guys, when you're grilling pineapple, it's actually, the concept of grilling fruit is the same. All you're gonna do is you wanna have a nice grill top of some sort. This is a cast iron grill top that I have on top of my cooktop here. And I have my cooktop on a medium-high heat, so I'm heating this up. I've got my pineapple here sliced. And again, you don't need to slice it really thick or anything, but you want it to get about a good ½ inch or so that you're able to really give it a chance to sit on the grill and get some grill marks going and let that flavor really come out. Once these come off the grill, what we're gonna do is mix up, put on them a little bit of the sweet and spicy portion of the program. This is a combination of brown sugar and butter, equal parts of brown sugar and butter. You're gonna mix those together. And then we're also gonna put a little touch of cinnamon on them and a smidge of cayenne. Now the cayenne portion is definitely optional, okay? If you're not interested in the cayenne, don't, but it is a nice touch, just saying. All right, so the key to grilling fruit, what you're gonna do, take a little bit of vegetable oil. I like to use just a simple brush of some sort. Just gently brush the fruit, like that, okay? And then you're gonna put it down and let it start to cook. The key to getting good grill lines is that while it's cooking, you wanna let it sit there and really get the grill marks on it before you turn it or flip it too soon. Because once you flip it, you can't get those grill marks in the same place always. You know what I'm saying? You have to turn it twice. So just let it sit there and do its thing. Have it up high enough so that it'll work. And I'm telling you, I was skeptical at first of this whole grilling pineapple thing. And my family was like, Mom, you know? But listen, this is the Cali part, okay? Because we do different things around here. We're not stuck to eating the same foods in the same way. Amen. All right, so let's let these cook. You want to give it about 3 or 4 minutes on a side, then we'll flip it over. Again, we'll oil this side. Let's do that now. We'll oil this side while we're waiting. And you can oil the grates on your grill directly, but I've just noticed it's better if you just brush the oil onto the fruit because then you're certain it's going to get in there. Like this. All right. And guys, be sure to check out my channel because there is a sister video to this one on how to grill watermelons. And it is yummy too. Okay, let's get ready to flip this pineapple. Let's see if she's ready to go. Here we go. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna let these sit on there a little longer, but you see how those grill marks are coming? This is gonna be real good. Here I'm just whisking together with the fork the brown sugar and butter until they become more incorporated with each other. And making a mess while doing so, I might add. It's no fun if you don't make a mess, right? There we go. I'm so excited about this. I'm excited about everything anyway, you guys, but this has become like a new little summertime favorite treat of ours over here. Let's see here. Oh, look. See how pretty that is? And boom. Oh, yes. Beautiful. So I'm going to break my own rules and flip this one back for a second because I want to see if I can get a few more marks. It may not be in the same place, but it'll be pretty. Look how beautiful that is. Now, you might be thinking, oh, I'm going to go ahead and brush the butter and sugar on here now. Here's the reason you don't want to do that. When the butter and sugar hit that heat, it's going to really smoke up and it'll burn and make a mess on your grill. I found that it actually works better to let it go ahead and finish cooking and then put it on a tray and then brush it. You don't have to, you can absolutely put it on now, but I'm just telling you, I've discovered I get a mess on the grill when that happens, and burning sugar does not smell good. It does not, by any stretch of the imagination. All right, let's get these off. See that? Ooh, ooh, careful. Here, let's pick this up like this. There we go. And this one, oh yeah, that looks better, like that. All right. So, while you're with me, I'm gonna go ahead and get the next group going. Boom. And then we're gonna get those all gussied up and ready for action. 2, oh yeah. This is all you have to do. And 3. Okay, so now that we have our first batch out, I've got my butter and sugar glaze here. My daughter is so good at this part. I wish Maddie was doing it for me, but you know, she doesn't like the camera that much. But she loves to do this part. We just brush the glaze on here and make sure the brown sugar has been fully dissolved in the butter, which it is. It's not hard to do, just keep stirring. And then, just like that. Ooh. Oh yeah, got a little extra on the bottom. Oops, lucky me. Just like so. Okay. While that's doing that, I'm gonna come over here and oil the other side of this pineapple. I'm glad I said the right fruit, you guys. I thought I said watermelon. I told you that's the sister video. All right, and let's flip this over. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. And I'm gonna tell you the beauty of grilled pineapple. I keep saying watermelon. That's because my kids told me I should put these two videos together. And I told them I knew what I was doing. Anyway, the beauty is when you put it together like this, oh, it doesn't have to be perfect, right? The grill marks can be, this is the beauty of it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, sprinkle a little cinnamon. These flavors are so beautiful together. And then if your people like heat, just a pinch of cayenne, okay? Don't go crazy with it because the point is not to make this hot, but this little pinch of cayenne just gives you some really good, just a little wake up, all right? All right, make sure you get your smoke detector ready, guys. All right, so let's get these ready and then we will be ready to take these outside for the cookout or inside for the cookout or wherever you're cooking out. Or just on the table because it's pretty to look at. Like that. There. Brush that on. Delicious. Sprinkle. A little touch, just a touch. We won't burn anybody out that way. And let's give one of these a taste. I'm gonna go for one of these early ones we finished. Get this same little fork I had earlier. I'm at home, I can do this. I can go in on food just like this at home. I wouldn't do this if we were at a cookout because that would be rude. But I'm not at a cookout, I'm at home. Oh, yes! Try this at your next cookout, I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. That's how you grill pineapple. Be sure to watch the sister video, how to grill watermelon. Have a great day. See you next time. Happy cooking.